Hello again, everyone. It is good to be here again and doing another video. So as you can see, if you don't know what this plant that you're looking at is, it is basically cucumber, right? It is cucumber. So this is basically how they look when they are just transplanted out. So maybe these are like maybe a couple days old, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring you straight up the line, because they have different stages straight up the line. And what I really want to show you here is, of course, the different stages, but I also want to show you how they trellis the cucumber. And trellising is basically the method that they use to train the cucumber vine vertically, right? And the trellis itself, the cord, and the trellis is the cord. That is what you are looking at here, right? This is the cord. It's very strong. So that is the cord that really bears the load, right? So the cord, the trellising cord will bear the direct load of the vine, and the horizontal wire up there that the trellis is tied to will indirectly bear the load of the cucumber vine and its fruits. So let us just walk through and just take a look on how they are in terms of. So as you can see right here, this is one of the cotyledon leaf. Here's another one. Of course, it is a dicotyledon, which means that it has two cotyledon leaves, and as you can see, this is the seed right here, right? So yeah, this is how it looks, right? Let me just move through, because the main focus of this video basically is to show you how the trellising works. So of course they are getting much bigger here. Alright, so for example, these have basically just planted maybe a couple of days. They are not ready to be trellis, right? They are basically too short. But once you see them after this stage, this is how they look now. You'll basically start seeing them putting out these little, what I call these now, I call these tendrils. I think tendrils. Am I correct? I'm not sure, but I think they are. This is what they use to kind of wrap around whatever they are going to grow on. So as long as you see them start putting out these, you know, you can basically start putting on the cord on them. Here's another perfect example. This is the first one coming out, right? As you can see, the height of it, you know, maybe about 10 inches or so. So you can basically, these are ready to be trellis, right? Because what happens is that if you don't trellis them now that they are putting out those tendrils, if you leave them, they will basically wrap around each other and so on. So let us look at how they look when they are trellis. So of course, as soon as you see them putting out the tendrils, you can basically, this is they call this a tomato clip right here, and you just wrap it around the base, right? It doesn't have to be extremely or exactly at the base. You can put it a little bit, couple inches from the base, maybe about 4 inches from the base, and you put a clip here, right? And what happens is that is the first clip. What happens is that as they grow taller, you don't necessarily wrap them, right? You don't wrap them. What you do is you put another clip. So look on this one. This one has two clips. So this one has a clip at the close to, well, it's not even at the base, right? It has a clip midway, and then because the plant is growing taller, they have to put another clip here. And let me show you some more plants. maybe some taller ones. Right, here's another one. Right, the clip is here, and then because the plant is growing taller, you just put on another clip and clip it around the vine. So this cord is not wrapped around the vine. They just use the tomato clips. Right, here they are, these, to just clip around the vine instead of putting the wrapping the cord around it. Alright, let me show you in another house. These are much more developed. Right? These are much more developed. Alright, look at what is happening. So of course, there's a clip here at the base, and then going up, there's another clip here, and then going up, there's another clip up here. So as the plant grows taller, you add clips to it to keep it locked to the string and ensure that it is being supported properly. Right? Here's another clip at the base right here. Here's another one here, and here's another one there, and another one up here, another one up there. So as it grows taller along the vine, you'll add more clips, right? And as you can see, the cord and the clips, they are working fine. Look at those cucumbers. Nice. So that is the idea of trellising with cucumbers, right? That is the idea of trellising with cucumbers. Of course, you could always, you know, instead of using so many clips, if you don't have so many clips, you could always just wrap the cord around it, around the vine, right? So, and also what I must point out is that these cords that they tie to the horizontal wire, they are basically they don't move, they just tie them one place, and the only thing that moves are the plants. So they just get rid of the plants, the cords stay the same place. The cords are not tensioned, right? They just tie them on the horizontal wire, lower them, and just clip them onto the vine, right? So the cords never move. The only time they move is basically if they need to change them, right? And that is how the trellis the cucumbers. So guys, if you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section, and I'll be happy to answer them. Again, remember to subscribe to the channel, and thank you again for viewing this video. Hello, now that you're at the end, if this video was beneficial to you, please consider subscribing. To subscribe to my channel, please click the red subscribe button and then click the bell icon beside it so that you will be notified whenever I publish a new video. Thank you.